Hi there. Voice typing is a feature that allows you to dictate text using your computer microphone instead of manual typing or into the document. So, for example, we can you can dictate text and insert the text in a Word or Notepad document, etc. So, to launch the voice typing toolbar, simply press Windows key and the H. This will launch the voice typing toolbar. As you can see, and the text is automatically inserted into the document. Place the cursor where you want to enter the text and start speaking. Press on the the microphone icon. Place the cursor where you want to enter the text and start speaking.